Good morning, my students. Today we revise together the present progressive, or we call it also present continuous. Let's begin. First, the affirmative statements. What's the form of the affirmative statement? I have to put the subject and then verb to be and then gerund. Gerund means the verb with the ing. How can I put it? The subject I have I or you or we or they or he or she or it. Then I add verb to be. With I put am. With you or we or they I put are. And with he or she or it I put is. What about the gerund? I add ing, like studying. I add ing to the verb and I put now, which means that I'm doing this at the moment of speaking or at this time. Okay. Look at this one. The long form, I am, you are, we are, they are, she or he is, it is. What about the short form? I'm, your, were, their, she's, his, and its. So this is the long form and this is the short form. Okay, let's have a look on the negative statement. In the negative statement, I have the subject, verb to be, plus not. So I add not and then also the gerund. Like the subject I, you, we, they, she, or he, or it. And verb to be, am, is, am, not here, are not, is not. And then the gerund form, which is driving, for example, a car, I add ing to the verb. Like this boy, he is driving a motorbike. Okay, the long form for the negative, I am not, you are not, we are not, they are not, she is not or he is not, it is not. What about the short form? I am not. I can't say I amn't. It's not right. I am not. You aren't. We aren't. They aren't. She isn't or he isn't. It isn't. Okay. What about yes or no questions? I put verb to be at the beginning and then the subject and then the gerund form and the question mark. Look at this example. I am or are or is at the beginning and then the subject, I or you or we or they, and then she or he or it, and then the gerund form, which is, for example, surfing. And I put the question mark, of course, at the end because this is a question. Like this boy is surfing. Okay, what about the affirmative? If I have yes, I'll say yes, I am. Yes, we are. Yes, they are. Yes, you are. Yes, she is or he is. Yes, it is. What about the negative? No, I'm not. No, we aren't. No, they aren't. No, you aren't. No, she isn't or he isn't. And no, it isn't. Thank you, my students.